OnePlus 12R has been leaked. I mean, look at this video. This screams premium and luxury, isn't it? Beyond belief. The event will unveil the phones on 23rd of January 2024 at sharp 7:30 p.m. But you guys don't have to wait till then because I'm here to tell you guys everything about OnePlus 12R. So chalo, without wasting any time, let's get into the video और जान लेते हैं what OnePlus 12R has to offer. Let's start with the design. OnePlus 12R showcases itself in 3 color variants. One is dazzling blue, another one is signature black, and the last one is rose gold, a very luxurious rose gold color, and this one is my favorite. Rumors also suggest that the phone might have a metal frame for that extra premium look. And the phone might also have an iconic alert slider to switch between vibration, silent and your ringer. Now let's talk about the display. The phone will pack a 6.78 inches of 1.5K resolution OLED display with 120 Hz of refresh rate. And this will make your content consumption immersive and engaging. As confirmed by the company, the phone will also have a 3000 nits of peak brightness, which will easily make you work in harsh sunlight also. Now, let's move on to the processor. This will have Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which means your gaming and your multitasking is sorted. Apart from that, the chipset is accompanied by 16 GB of RAM plus 512 GB of storage. Now, if I talk about the battery option available, the phone will feature 5400 mAh battery with 100 watt of fast wired charger. And now comes the most important part, the price part. Well, according to leaks, there will be a slight bump in the price this time. And that was it for this video. You guys have to stay tuned for further updates. Until then, keep watching Gadget Times. This is Vanshika signing off. I'll see you guys in the next one.